So the next stock that we're breaking down for this morning is Sndl, or ticker symbol SNDL. I have my lines and graphs already set. We're starting from a higher time frame. This allows us to find the overall direction and trend of our stock. Okay, so let's go ahead and dive in. So yesterday we closed at 0%, you guys. So we didn't really break any new highs. We didn't break any new lows. Our pre-market is at 0.86%, so almost 1%. So nothing really crazy, you guys. Let's look at the volume. The volume's at 2 million, so it's above that 150,000 that we like to see, you guys. So overall, nothing really crazy, you guys. We just been pulling back after this really extended move. You can look on the RSI that we were overextended, now starting to correct. Now it's just the matter of how much are we going to correct before continuing this upward trend, because on the our trend line shows that we are still in this upward trend. We're above the trend line, so that's another good sign, you guys. I'm going to go over our support and resistance lines really quick, and then I'll go more into depth on the candles. Alright, so this top line represents our major resistance line. You can see we got rejected over here and twice over here, which pushed us all the way down to our major support line down here. We look left, like Beyonce says, we had resistance back here and down here for a while when we were trying to create that breakout, which we ultimately did. We came up, came back down, and started creating these higher lows until we got this gap up way up here and it's starting to pull back. All right, so you can tell that we are starting to build a level of support right here. We just have to figure out if this is the relative strength. So this would be a 50% retracement, which would be beautiful, you guys. So if you were to get in, especially if you're day trading, I would have a tight stop loss maybe underneath this candlestick, and that'll be around the dollar. Yeah, the dollar area basically. If you're gonna plan on holding long term or core trading, and you plan on holding for a longer term, I would have it underneath our a major support or resistance line back down here, and that's at the 79-cent area or the 78-cent area. So if we do pull back down to that area and we do break past that support line, you want to be able to get tagged out and wait for another better entry. And obviously that's just pure money management, you guys. Just in case things go sour, you want to have protection of your assets and whatnot. All right, so your first target is going to be back up here at this pivot, that being at the $1.48, and then your second target being back up here at the $1.72. So if we can get back down up to the $1.72 area, we have this next level of resistance, and we would have to wait until if we can break past that as well, you guys. So but we still have some time before we get there. Like I said, as of right now, we are in this beautiful upward trend. The RSI is starting to correct. The only thing that we need to do now is, if you were to get in, is deciding on how much of a stop loss or where you're going to put your stop loss if you're going to have one. Like I said, anywhere between the dollar or underneath our major support line, which would be the safer ideal entry, and back down at the 78 or 79-cent area, you guys. But other than that, I don't really see any issues with getting in. We may pull back just a little bit more, but like I said, it looks like we're starting to build a support here at the $1.14 area, so we'll figure out what happens today. But other than that, I hope you guys have a beautiful day today. Please don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button. It allows me to create this content for you guys Monday through Friday. But other than that, I hope you guys have a beautiful day and happy trading.